Today I will be preparing delicious dessert baked cheesecake. Here I am using digestive biscuits, but you can use any arrowroot biscuits and grind them into a powder. Transfer the crushed biscuits in a bowl, add melted butter and mix it well. Take a baking pan. I am using butter paper here. If you want, can directly grease pan without using butter paper. Now transfer the crust mixture into the pan. Spread evenly and press the mixture firmly into the bottom of the pan to make the base for the cheesecake. Keep the pan in a fridge for a while. Let's prepare a filling for a cheesecake. In a mixing jar, put the cream cheese and cream, blend them for a minute. Add vanilla essence and blend again for half a minute. Break 2 eggs in a bowl, add sugar and whisk nicely. Pour blended cream cheese into the mixture and whisk again. Grate the paneer cottage cheese into the mixture and mix. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm using orange juice here, but you can add lemon juice or any fruit juice of your choice. Personally, I prefer the tangy flavor of the orange. Give it a one last mix. Take it out the pan from the fridge. Pour the cream cheese filling over the crust biscuit layer and bake in the preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Set aside to cool, then carefully remove the baked cheesecake from the pan. I'm going to enjoy the yummy baked cheesecake and you have got to try it too. Let me know in the comment how it turned out for you. For more delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. See you in next video. Bye.